What's up, dude? Welcome back. It's me, Fadil. Boom. So anyway, guys, today I wanna show you how to change color grading with Fisco application. Turn on the top, have a load to the video. Let's go. Boom. Hi, wait. Before it goes on video, don't forget to like, comment in below and subscribe. Thanks for the time. Have a good time. Thank you. Wait. Before it goes on video, don't forget to like, comment below and subscribe. Thanks for the time. Have a good time. Thank you. Hi, wait. Before it goes on video, don't forget to like, comment below and subscribe. Thanks for the time. Have a good time. Thank you. Wait. Before it goes on video, don't forget to like, comment below and subscribe. Thanks for the time. Have a good time. Thank you. Wait. Before it goes on video, don't forget to like, comment below and subscribe. Thanks for the time. Have a good time. Thank you. Wait. Before it goes on video, don't forget to like, comment below and subscribe. Thanks for the time. Have a good time. Thank you. Wait. Before it goes on video, don't forget to like, comment below and subscribe. Thanks for the time. Have a good time. Thank you. And guys, thanks for watching my video, and I hopefully for you will understand and try soon.